Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if I keep looking there, it's because I finally got a proper camera. I am going to be staring at myself in the viewfinder because I'm narcissistic. So today I'm filming a glam makeup tutorial because a lot of you girls wanted me to film a glam makeup tutorial because I did an everyday one. I have all my makeup over here. I have my tiny mirror over here. Ignore that area. It's a huge mess right now. I haven't cleaned it up in way too long, so just ignore that. But yeah, I think we can get started. So first things first, we moisturize. You can never forget to moisturize, especially when it comes to glam makeup, since I'm going to be putting so much makeup on myself, like more than I usually do. We should make sure our skin is doing good too.
I don't know she halfway. What the fuck is with the man? I don't know she halfway.
My skin is like glowy, and we can start with the makeup. But before that, I'm gonna make sure I get my hair out of my face. I mentioned in my everyday makeup tutorial that I wear foundation only when I'm doing like a more glam look, but I've kind of decided not to do foundation today because I am just gonna sit at home and I don't want to unnecessarily like clog my pores and stuff, so I'm gonna skip the foundation and move on straight to concealer. So for concealer, I use the Radiant Creamy Concealer from Nars, which I also mentioned in the everyday makeup tutorial, in the shade Medium to Ginger, and we're just gonna put that on.
Even talk a little more, like everything she can't ignore. Might even press against the door.
And I put this in under my eyes. I put it a little here, a little bit over here, and also here because I have dark smile lines which I don't like. So I also just put like a light amount of concealer just from the brush on my eyes, because when I'm gonna do a glam eyeshadow, it like shows more. Once I've put on concealer, I take my Laura Mercier setting powder and put some in this. I actually look insane, but it's fine because the results are worth it. So while my face bakes, I am gonna move on to my eyeshadow. So when I'm doing a glam look, the eyeshadow palette that I use is Blood Sugar by Jeffree Star. Literally the best thing ever. So good. So that's what I'm gonna use. I kind of like a shimmery smoky look. I think that's what we're gonna do. So I use the base shade Cake Mix.
Even get an extra car. Might even get some extra more.
I do have to give a disclaimer though, I'm not very good at doing eyeshadow, so just if it turns out to look like absolute trash, just let's move past that.
I don't know she halfway.
So now that that's done, I'm going to use the shade Ouch, and I'm gonna put that over, like mix it kind of just slightly onto my base as well.
I don't get it, I don't get it. Is she with it? Is she with it? Nice.
Then I'm gonna use the shade Intravenous, which is like kind of like a dark brown shade. It's this one. And I'm gonna use that in the outer corners of my eye to darken up the thing, that remove the excess.
Man, she gon' give it, she gon' give it. Damn, and when we're never in a hurry, gonna smash it till it's early. I know she a little worried.
I'm also gonna use the shade Intravenous again and put it under my eye on my waterline.
We go fuck up on the floor like.
So it just like kind of brings your eyes together. And then I'm gonna go in with this glittery shade Donor, and I'm gonna use that over my eyelid just as to add a little shine. And then I'm just going to use the fluffy brush again just to blend the outer corners in with the glitter. I'm going to use this super light, like kind of pinkish glitter shade Sweetener. And I'm going to put that in the inner corners of my eye. It just like brightens up your eye a little bit. That's it for eyeshadow. And then I'm going to use my eyeliner. This is my favorite eyeliner. I think I've been using it since I was 15. I don't think I've ever changed my eyeliner. It's the Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D. And now this I really struggle with, and the fact that I have to do it on camera, I'm like kind of nervous, but hopefully we can manage.
Be a little worried if she gets a little flirty. I know it ain't in your worries. Might even get an extra car. Might even get some extra more.
Okay, I think this was a success. I'm really proud of myself. I can't tell if it's even, but I think it is. And then my favorite trick that Khushi taught me, thank you, shout out to Khushi for this trick, is you take a Q-tip and some makeup remover, just like, you know, put some makeup remover on a Q-tip just to clean it up.
Go and get a man. I don't get it, I don't get it.
So like I mentioned in my everyday makeup tutorial, I use the Givenchy base mascara perfector to first put on like a mascara eyelash primer kind of thing. Ooh, I almost forgot to curl my lashes. So first we curl our lashes. Then we put on the base perfector.
Smash it till it's early. I know she a little worried. Might even talk a little more. Like everything she can ignore.
And then I use my favorite mascara that also I mentioned in my previous video, Better Than Sex by Too Faced. Just look at the difference. Like, I'm in shock. Just look at the difference. So, eyes done. Now we will brush off all the baking stuff. We can move on to my eyebrows. I haven't done my eyebrows, like I haven't gotten them thread in way, like I can't even remember the last time I got my eyebrows thread, but we can try to at least make it look like less shitty. So for my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia Brow Wiz crayon.
I should have never asked. Right? What the fuck is with the man?
I honestly think this is the best we can do. And then I also use the Anastasia eyebrow gel, and just to set it. Next, we finally move on to the face. First things first, I use the Fenty Beauty contour stick in the shade Mocha.
Might even get some extra more. Like everything about your pores. If you wanna fuck some more, let's just fucking tell us for. Like I don't know, she had a plan. What the fuck is with...
Once that is done, I go over that with the Benefit Hoola bronzer and just go over it to make my cheekbones look more poppin'.
What the fuck is with the man? I don't know, she had a plan.
Then I use my NudeStix Nudies Matte Cream Blush stick thing in the shade Sunset Strip.
If she gets a little flirty, I know it ain't any worries, right? I don't know, she had a plan.
And then last for face, I use my MAC soft and gentle skin Mineralize thing that's very, very, very broken, and I don't even need to take it from there. I can literally just take it from there because it's all broken.
Even talk a little more, like everything she can't ignore.
Do you see that? It's the best highlight ever. I like putting a lot of highlight on my nose, like more than I probably need to, but it's fine. Last but not the least, for lips. So I used the same lipstick that I mentioned in my everyday makeup tutorial, the NYX Lingerie lipstick in the shade RuffleTrim. So for me, if I'm doing like super glam eyes, I like very simple like lips, like probably just like glossy lips. And then I use my, cannot even explain how much I love this gloss. I think I can just show you that it's basically almost over. It's the Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Plumping Gloss, and it's the best thing ever. Yeah, that's pretty much it for my makeup look. I'm just gonna brush my hair and show you guys the final reveal.
Oh, I should go and get a man. Damn, I don't get it, I don't get it. Why she with it, why she with it?
And yeah, this is my final glam makeup tutorial. This is the glam makeup I do when I'm going for an event or party or something like that requires me to look fancier than I usually do. I'm not a makeup guru, but this is the best I can do, so no hate please. I hope this helps you out in any way. If you guys do recreate a look like this, do send me pictures of you or tag me on Instagram or anything. Just DM it to me or tag me on your stories or on your pictures, anything. If you do decide to recreate this or like get inspired to recreate something like this, and I will repost your pictures and like. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is fun for me to film. If you guys did enjoy this video, like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.